Okay students, we have long division method. We can divide both polynomials by two methods. The first one is short method. We have done this before. Okay, and next we have a long division method, all right, in which you will divide it simply as you have done it before in your primary classes. Okay, so come to this division. This is so simple. Whenever you have something to divide, this is your divisor, this is quotient, all right. So you will divide it like you need 12 here, so that you can cut them, and then you will, if remainder is 0, so your answer is 3. All right, so you will divide it like this. 4 3s are 12, so the answer is 3. Just like that, we have x cube, and we have to divide this x cube by x, and this is the divisor. So here we need x cube. So what number should be multiplied by the divisor to get x3, to make it x3? Okay, now you know that you have a linear power. You have here you have exponent 1. You have to make it 3. All right, you have to multiply a specific variable to make it x cube. So you know that when you will multiply this x, when you will multiply this x like this, you have x, and you have to make it x cube. So you should multiply by x square to make it x cube. All right, when you will multiply, it will become x cube. So now x into x square will be x cube. Now you will subtract it, and the remainder is 0, so the answer is x square. Okay, come to second example. We have 15x5 divided by 3x. all right, so you have to make 15x5. now you can see that you have a number that is 3. What number should be multiplied by 3 to get 15? You know that 3 5s are 15, so we will multiply by 5. All right, so but we have to make this x5. okay, so you will take this x, and you, what number should what variable should be multiplied by x to get x5, to make it x5? all right, you know that when you have 3x, and you have to make it 15x square. So 5 must be here, and you have to make it x5, so you will multiply it by x4. 5 3s are 15, x4 plus 1 will be x5. all right, so this is 15x5. So 3x, when you will multiply this 3x by 5x4, it will be 15x5. Remainder 0, so the answer is 5x4. all right, so come to this one. We have 25x6 divided by 5x. all right, so you know that when we will multiply this 5 by 5, we will get 25, and we have to make this x6. We have only one x. all right, we have linear x. all right, we have linear power. okay, linear polynomial, because here the exponent is 1, so we have to make it x6. so we will multiply it by x5 to get 6, because when base is same power, we will add the powers. all right, so when we will multiply this 5x by 5x5, it will be 25x6. all right, come to this one. We have 5y10 divided by 3y. okay, 5y10 divided by 3y. Here it should be something here. I think we have 5y here. all right. Okay, there is some mistake or some misprinting. Okay, just leave this example. all right, here should be 25, or here should be y. okay, so just leave it. Okay, come to this one. We have 7x cube y and minus 21x5 y square. okay, so minus 21x5 y square divided by 7x cube y. So we have to make it 21 as well as x5 and y square. So we have here, we have only 1 7. Now we know that when we will multiply this 7 by 3, we will get 21, because 7 3s are 21. But what about x cube? We have to make this x cube as x5, and we have to make this y as square. When we will multiply this x cube by x2, it will be 5, because 3 plus 2 is 5. all right, and when we will multiply this y by only one y, it will be y 2. How? I'm gonna multiply it. 7x cube y into 3xy, because I have to make it minus 21xy y square, x5 y square. Okay, so 3 sevens are 21. X into x cube will be x, here x2, x5, because 3 plus 2 is 5, and then y into y will be y square, but we need minus as well, so we will multiply it by subtraction. All right, so now we have minus 21x5 y square. All right, so that is why we will multiply this 7x cube y with minus 3x square y, so it will be 21x5 y square. Okay students, we had some examples for today. I hope it is clear. Just practice these examples and then you will understand it. And then we will do the next level, in which you can see that we have example 6, in which we have 3 terms polynomial, that is the trinomial, and we have to divide it by binomial. All right, how can we divide it? We will discuss it later. Right, take care and Allah Hafiz.